Hey y'all, so just got back from eating. So we're going to go ATV riding today. Well, UTV because ATV is the smaller one, UTV is the bigger one. UTV riding today. Ah! Yeah, and so we fucking got lost trying to find somewhere to eat, but it's okay. And I forgot my camera, so I couldn't even vlog the whole moment, but whatever. So let me get, I'm not naked, y'all. I'm wearing something. Y'all thought y'all was gonna catch a nip slip, didn't y'all? Didn't y'all? Let me take a shower, put on my lashes, honey, and get the day started.
Adelante Alejandro para ayudarnos con seguridad.
So we're here. Dee didn't make a reservation. They told him just come and look what he did. He came. You guys, Puerto Rico hats. So we're going horseback riding. My horse name was Thunderbolt, I think.
Longhorn.
Longhorn, yeah. My horse name is Longhorn. And look at my Puerto Rico hat. And yeah, I was like, I'm glad I got a bob because it's so freaking hot out here.
I look so fly. Tell them how I'm looking.
He want to be seen so badly.
Oh my god, this is the first time I'm on camera. Hello guys, I look horseback riding fresh.
Horseback riding fresh. He want to be on camera so badly, y'all. Like, this is the Jada show.
Literally my first time.
Not a D show. And hopefully someone cancels ATV because I really want to go ATV riding, and ATV, UTV, doesn't matter. Whichever one is available, that's what we're going to do. So fingers crossed somebody cancels that we are able to do so. But as of right now, Dee didn't schedule a reservation, so we came here. But hey, yeah, look at my hat. Ah! So we go get our horses, I think at 12:30. Right now it's 11:35, so we kind of like got an hour just to like vibe and chill type shit. So, and I seen something that I can get my mom, but who knows if she actually gonna use it though. But anywho, I'm breaking out as per usual. Besides that, you see I still have my Invisalign on, y'all. And my teeth, when I tell you my teeth straight, if y'all seen my first video till now, my teeth are straight. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. But bye, y'all, because we gotta be riding these horses ourselves, and I kind of don't know where we're going, one, and then I don't know how to ride a horse, two. So it's kind of like, that was a freak. Yeah, so I think I should have wore pants because everybody else is wearing pants. And I wore shorts. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Looking like a hoochie mama. My coochie cutters.
Coochie cutters.
But it's okay, y'all.
Oh, man. Ooh, hold it up.
So we got our helmets. I'm fucking. We about to go on. I'm excited, y'all. But I'm actually trying to take off my mask because this mask is hot as fuck. I'm on a horse, bitches. His name Titan, yo. Wait, let me vlog. Oh my god, he's touching each other. They're probably dating. We out here. Yeah, I'm looking thick or whatever. No. Yeah, no, my horse height. Why my horse so high?
Maybe move this, like the arm. Maybe he's gonna move over.
I don't know. No.
I moved him over that way. He just moved, so maybe. I don't know. Oh my god, no.
No, mine keep going to the floor. Like, what's on the floor? Listen, my horse wilding, y'all. Like, look how close it is. And he's stomping his feet. Like, come on. I hope.
I just don't.
Oh my gosh. Ah, D. Alright, we out here. Yo. We outside. Ah. This is so fun. Y'all, I'll get back to y'all when we like moving. Okay.
You guys got it?
Got it. Let's go. Pick it up. Stick it up. Oh, we going.
Milo, you running into people?
Oh my gosh, y'all. We out here. Yeah. Damn, that tail hit the fuck out of my leg. Look. We in Yunque Park. What for? Where we at? Where we?
Rainforest?
Yeah, we in a, what is it called? Rainforest? Yeah, we tried to get on the ATV, but we was late.
He's running, right?
Oh, look at them, man. He just walking. They just walking. Like they on autopilot. I ain't even tell this motherfucker to go. This shit went. Oh my god, I'm sorry y'all for cussing. This is just so amazing. For real. We on this thing for an hour. My legs already cramping, y'all. It's like, ain't no joke, for real.
I can't wait to see my back. Never ever again. Just like when I do that,
I got a white horse because my name Jada. That's it. Everybody else, brown horses, khaki color, white. Come on. You already know how Goddessjjai coming. Hey. You already know how your girl coming. We really out here, for real. This is so fun. For real. How you feeling, D? You cruising? That's what's up. I'm in a jam. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We're bumping, y'all. He's right on his foot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I thought I fell. Oh my gosh. Yo, you saw that? They're already on autopilot. They move out the way on their own. You stop? That video is so funny. Why are you running? Why are you running? It's hard, yeah, it's hard.
It's really hot.
No, for real. Ooh. Yeah, Titan. We sightseeing, Titan. But you already seen this before, so this is nothing new to you, huh? Huh, Titan? Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell. Y'all, this is not fun. Like, we going through a steep. We're going through a steep, rocky part. And when I tell you my culo hurting right now. Oh my god, my heart's beating the freak up, y'all. Oh my god. Damn, we really going to the jungle. Damn, oh. But I don't think they do Uber on this. Oh, look, it's like a river. That's nice. That's a nice river. They in the water. Oh shit. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all stuck on my shirt. You see, they in the water, y'all. They really living it. They on ATVs. We didn't get a chance to do it, but we will. They got cows. Every time I try to stop, Titan say no. We trying to get the fuck out of here. I try to stop, get my phone, just take a quick picture. Titan say no. We gonna keep going. We like 45 minutes in. Yeah, we like,
I know, right?
I don't know, we like 45 minutes in. When I tell you
45 minutes?
I don't even know how long, but when I tell you something is hurting, when I tell you my legs are hurting, y'all.
It's my ass.
This is my inner side hurting. For real. Yeah, it's like my booty cheeks, the thighs. It's like everything is hurting.
Look, my sister.
See, Titan vibing though. Titan vibing. He said he can't feel his legs.
My load has completely.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it. And then y'all come back.
I don't know, your horse wet. Yeah, it grazed my leg. Pee! This better not be horse pee on my leg. But this was a good day to go horseback riding. It wasn't like hot as fuck. It was just like, like just my, oh my god, I can't wait to get off. Like my thighs hurt. Oh, yo. Oh my gosh. Whoosh, whoosh. Wait. Wait. Oh my god. It's like my kuda woulda hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh. And it's like, oh damn. Gotta put me right through the bushes. Y'all, so it's the end of the tour. We already arriving back. All the horses know when it's time to eat because they all stop at the same time. Yeah, my legs hurt so badly, it don't make no sense. Oh my goodness. I get a nice massage. Y'all, my teeth are so straight, y'all. This Invisalign is working. I have my doubts about Invisalign, but y'all see the real life results. I look like I got veneers on. I ain't even. But it's the end of the tour. That was the hour for real. Okay. Titan, it was nice being with you. You treated me good. You didn't let me run through too much bushes. Kept a steady pace. Oof, as we made it. We back to civilization. I remember when I was sitting on that bench an hour ago, like, am I really gonna ride on a horse today? Oh damn, that's a mean one. Oh, that was a mean one. I wish I recorded it, but earlier someone stepped in poop and we all, it was like 10 of us and we all watched her step in it, like, till afterward. Then we were like, hey, hey. Oh my gosh, now time to get off. This is seafood mofo. I already digged in a little bit, that's sort of the corner, but overall, this just looks different. It tastes good, but at the same time. So I know y'all missed me eating, so I came to y'all today to show me eating. I'll take that whole shrimp and don't give a fuck. So that was a shrimp. I think this is fish. Yeah, that was fish. I think there was some lobster in it, but I think I tasted shells in it. Like, so they probably didn't clean it right if I'm chewing shells in my mouth. Jeez, almost choked. But I'm okay. So let me finish eating, let me focus on eating, and I'll get back to y'all. Oh, I'm dark, y'all. Y'all can't even see me. I'll be back.